everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have another cook and clean with me. Today we are going to be making lemon butter sauce with dill going along with salmon. Now it's a super easy and delicious dish to make. I've done it plenty of times, and a side to go along with it, we're going to be making Trader Joe's cauliflower stir fry. Now I actually had my mother and my sister bring it down from New Jersey when they came to visit me last week, because our nearest Trader Joe is literally in Jacksonville, Florida, or Jacksonville Beach, I believe. So that's a far drive for us. So I just told her, since you're coming in, just bring this for me. That's the only thing I ask of you. So I have that with me. We're going to be making that as well. But today's video is also a collaboration with my good friend here on YouTube and on Instagram. Her name is Karla from Karla's Sweet Life. She is a fellow Milsa who is currently now in Hawaii, and I am so envious of her when she posts pictures on her Instagram about being in Hawaii and just going to the beach. It just looks so beautiful down there. She is also going to be doing a cook and clean with me video as well. Her channel is mainly cleaning motivation, so if you guys are into that, then definitely check out her channel. And without further ado, let's jump right in, you guys. We are first going to start off by cutting in half the lemons. You're going to need butter and dill, of course, to make this lemon butter and dill sauce. I put in garlic and then start melting the butter, but you don't have to put garlic if you don't want to. And in regards to the butter, I put 2 pieces at a time just so that it all melts evenly. And you put in a little bit of pepper and salt just for seasoning. Here I'm adding milk just to make it thicker and creamier. You can also start adding a little bit of the dill at this point. Don't throw it all the way in, just put a little bit at a time. And as you guys can see, I used tongs before I switched to a spatula, and it kind of ruined the salmon meat, but it's all good. It still turned out delicious. I cut the salmon in half before I seasoned it with salt and pepper. The last thing that we're going to be cooking is this Trader Joe's cauliflower stir fry. It has also some green beans and green peas and corn. You just put a little bit of olive oil and you heat it up. I did also add the everything but the bacon seasoning, and it still tasted delicious, you guys. This is one of my favorite things from Trader Joe's. It is amazing.
It's another game that I'm playing now. 'Cause it's finally here, finally, yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause it's finally here, finally, yeah. Ooh, I've been staring again, gazing at the night sky, and even though it's the same, it feels like I got new eyes. Oh, now the hard time's over, and for a moment I won't look back now. Yeah, and it's like it's another game that I'm playing. I sought to reach the sky, even though it took a while. I know that I can rest now, 'cause it's finally, yeah, finally, finally, yeah, yeah. Oh, 'cause it's finally, yeah, finally, finally, yeah.
Final product. I know the piece of salmon looks super small, and that's because the piece that we got from Walmart, I cut it in half, and that piece was already small to begin with. But trust me, this is super delicious. I just added some slices of avocado here. Cannot wait to dig into the cauliflower stir fry rice here. I am so excited to have this for dinner right now. I hope that you guys did enjoy it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit the like button, notification bell, as well as the subscribe button. And please do not forget to check out my friend Karla's video. She is super amazing, and I'm pretty sure you guys are going to enjoy her content. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. No. Give us. Yay! Give it a five. Yay! Ready? Yeah. Okay, dinner ready.